Guys, I'm trimming my Mamey tree because it's just gotten too tall, and I got the power lines there, right up there, if you can see. But man, this is just, every branch is just absolutely loaded with flowers and fruit. Look at all the, look at this. And this is everywhere. Look at how much fruit. I mean, absolutely, and you can tell, see, each one of these would be a little Mamey. So, I mean, obviously it's not going to keep all of these, but look at how many of them have already set as fruit there from all the flowers. It had 1 million flowers, and look at all the Mameys, and every branch is just like this. It's insane how much it produces. This is a Pantene, a Key West, and like I said, every branch. There's not a branch in the tree that's not loaded like this. Unfortunately, I have to trim it because it's getting too tall. I got the power lines there, and I haven't trimmed it the last few years so I can get the harvest. I'll have to wait now a few years to get, you know, fruit again. But I have other ones. I have like here, this one, and all that. So I'll get by, but I got to do it. I want to lower the canopy on that. It's gotten too tall. But I just wanted to show you how prolific as far as flowering and setting fruit. They do drop a lot. They do, because it'd be crazy for them to keep that much. I do remember seeing, you know, in the Caribbean, Mamey trees that were actually, this one's tiny compared to those. I've seen them be like, you know, 60 feet tall, 50, 60 feet tall, and literally have, I think, fruit that, you know, would actually be already big, to the point, you know, where it would probably have, you know, over 1,000 fruit easily. I mean, it was just huge. It was incredible. So they can be very prolific, especially the more into the tropics that you get. So and they taste great. So something to consider if you're in South Florida. Definitely a Mamey tree. So anyway, just wanted to show you how incredible how many fruit it has. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.